Is your Mazda 3's infotainment system freezing, rebooting, or completely unresponsive? You're not alone. The Mazda Connect system has been a persistent problem across multiple model years from 2014 to 2024. The Mazda Connect system integrates climate control, navigation, audio, and smartphone connectivity. However, many owners experience significant reliability issues with this Linux-based platform. Research shows that system freezing affects 35 to 40% of reported cases, making it the most common problem. Spontaneous reboots occur in 30% of cases, while touchscreen unresponsiveness affects 25% of users. These problems stem from several root causes: software corruption from incomplete updates, hardware degradation, including aging capacitors, poor thermal management causing overheating, power supply fluctuations, and insufficient memory allocation all contribute to system instability. The Mazda Connect system operates through a complex architecture with multiple interconnected components. The central processing unit controls operations while the touchscreen displays user interaction. This complexity creates multiple potential failure points throughout the system. Understanding these root causes is the first step toward finding effective solutions. In the next section, we'll explore practical fixes you can try yourself, from simple resets to more advanced troubleshooting methods. Before seeking professional help, there are several DIY fixes you can try to resolve your Mazda 3 infotainment issues. These solutions are arranged from simplest to most complex. The first and easiest fix is a soft reset. Hold down 3 buttons simultaneously: mute, nav, and back, for exactly 10 seconds. This forces the system to restart and resolves about 60 to 70% of temporary freezing issues. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Disconnect your vehicle's 12-volt battery for 15 to 20 minutes, then reconnect it. This more thorough reset has a 75% success rate for persistent issues. As a last resort for software issues, use the Master Reset option found in your system settings. This will erase all your personal data and return the system to factory defaults, but it's the most comprehensive software-based solution. For more persistent issues, advanced solutions may be necessary. Firmware updates from Mazda's website can address known bugs and improve system stability, though professional installation is recommended for complex updates. In severe cases, hardware replacements may be necessary. The control module unit, or CMU, can cost $800 to $1,200 to replace, while touchscreen digitizer replacement typically costs $300 to $500. These repairs offer a 95% permanent fix rate. To prevent future problems, follow these maintenance recommendations. Keep your software updated with regular firmware checks. Use gentle pressure when operating the touchscreen, and ensure proper ventilation to keep the system cool. These simple practices can significantly extend your infotainment system's lifespan.